The Alphabet Tree. This is by one of my favorite authors, Leo Leone. You know, when I think about this, I think about the Chicka Chicka Boom Boom book that we just read. That was kind of like an alphabet tree also. So I'm wondering how this book will be the same and different as that. The Alphabet Tree by Leo Leone. This is the alphabet tree, said the ant. Why is it called the alphabet tree? Asked his friend. Do you see the two ants down near the bottom branch of the tree? Because not so long ago this tree was full of letters. They lived a happy life, hopping from leaf to leaf on the highest twigs. Each letter had its favorite leaf, where it would sit in the sun and rock in the gentle breeze of spring. And there are all the different letters. Can you find the letter that starts your first name? I see mine. There's a J over there. One day the breeze became a strong gust, and the gust became a gale. A gale is a really strong wind. The letters clung to the leaves with all their might, but some were blown away, and the others were very frightened. When the storm had passed, they huddled together in fear deep in the foliage of the lower branches. A funny bug, red and black with bright yellow wings, saw them there, hiding in the shade. We are hiding from the wind, the letters explained. But who are you? I am the word bug, the bug answered. I can teach you to make words. If you get together in threes or fours and even more, no wind will be strong enough to blow you away. Letters make words. Patiently, he taught the letters to join together and make words. Can you find some of the words that he made? He made cat and bug and leaf and tree and me. Some made short and easy words like dog and cat, and others learned to make more difficult ones, twig, leaf, and even earth. I see small and peace and now, and green and wind and red and zoo, bug and tree. What words do you see on the leaves? Happily, they climbed back to the highest leaves, and when the wind came, they held on without fear. The word bug had been right. Then, one summer morning, a strange caterpillar appeared amid the foliage. He was purple, woolly, and very large. Such confusion, said the caterpillar when he saw the words scattered around on the leaves. Why don't you get together and make sentences and mean something? What does that mean, do you think? The letters had never thought of this. Now they could really write some big things and say things. They said things about the wind and the leaves and the bug. Good, said the caterpillar approvingly, but not good enough. Why? Asked the letters, surprised. Because you must say something important, said the caterpillar. They say the wind is bad, leaves are green, the bug is small. I wonder what would be important that they could say. If you were the letters and the words, what would you say? What would be important enough to say? And the letters tried to think of something important, really important, and finally they knew what to say. What could be more important than peace? Peace on earth and goodwill toward all men, they spelled excitedly. Well, that's a pretty big, important thing to think, isn't it? Great, said the caterpillar. Now climb onto my back. One by one, the letters climbed onto the woolly back. Where are you taking us? They asked anxiously as the caterpillar began climbing down the tree. Do you know what goodwill towards all men means? It means that you should be kind to other people. It's not really men, just like men. It's all human beings, that we should do our best to be kind towards everyone. To the president, said the caterpillar. And there he goes. And that's the end. Wow, that's pretty powerful. If you were going to say something to the president, what would you say? Would you say like what the words in the caterpillar said, or would you say something different? What I want you to do is take out your writing journal, and what would you say? You can draw a picture of it. You can try using some words if you want. You can even put the words together and try and make a sentence, whatever you want to try. But what would you say to the president? Because words are powerful. Words can change things. That's why learning to read and write is so important. What would you say?